everyone! So today I have a super exciting video for you guys because I got a present and I don't know why, but I get so excited to get gifts. It doesn't matter what it is, who it's from, anything like that. Like, I get so excited and yeah, I just wanted to share it with you guys today. So if you guys want to see my gift, then keep watching. So I checked my mail the other day and I was excited because I got an Amazon box here. And your girl doesn't shop on Amazon. I know, weird. I'm not the norm, but so I do have an Amazon wish list, and it is mostly like lingerie items and stuff. So anyone who ever purchases from my wish list, I'll send videos or pictures or stuff like that as a thank you. And yeah, this one is from one of my favorite supporters. I don't know if he wants me to mention his name, but he knows who he is. He has sent me a Snow White lingerie before, which I like loved. But anyways, I opened this and almost teared up. So let's get into it. I'm gonna start off with like the most sweetest thing about this gift. So the most sweetest thing was I was expecting to get some lingerie. Exciting. I'm like, yay! But it has a Chom Chom roller! So this Chom Chom roller, it's like to get rid of pet hair, and I have like 5 cats. So this is like a really thoughtful gift, and I couldn't believe that I got it, and I was so excited, and I can't wait to use this, and so yeah, I'm so excited. So thank you for the Chom Chom roller. Like, this made my day because I felt like this was like super thoughtful. Like, yes, I love lingerie, it's super thoughtful, it's stuff I like, but this is extra. It's more meaningful, I guess. I don't know. So without further ado, we're gonna get into the lingerie, and I'm gonna do a whole try-on video of these, which he'll just receive as like a thank you. And yeah, so let's get into it. So first is, I really like the like logo of this. It's like Fazzy Cat, Fancy Cat, Fazzy Cat. So first we have this. Looks like really good quality, but it is a body stocking, but it's like a teddy. So that's what she looks like. She's gonna be so cute on. I don't care who you are, a body stocking is gonna look sexy on you. Hands down, I said what I said, and I stick to that, and I believe it because I've been bigger and I've been smaller, and body stockings have always looked good on me, even when I was thicker and thought, oh, all my stuff's gonna squish out. No, I look sexy in a body stocking, so just keep that in mind. If you're scared, don't be scared. They're hot. So next we have this one here. Doesn't have any brand or anything, it just says this, it is not a toy. So next off, we have this one. So it is kind of just like a super strappy bra. So that is that. So that'll be like a super strappy bra, and it comes with matching bottoms. I don't exactly know how these bottoms go, but you get the point. There's gonna be super strappy sexies. That's all I'm gonna say is strappy sexies going on here. I have no idea. It is very like strappy, but I'm sure I'll figure it out when I put it on. It'll be a lot easier. But there's that one. I can't wait to try this on. It's so pretty. And then there's this last one. It's from Avid Love, and oh my gosh, I love green, and I don't really have green pieces, so I was so excited to receive this, and it is the only piece I have tried on so far because I was so excited. I had to try something on, and I've never felt sexier in my entire life like this. So it's like a teddy, but it's super strappy. All these straps in the back. It's just not doing it justice, but it's like the sexiest little, I cannot get over how sexy and beautiful this is. So yeah, definitely can't go wrong with that. It is amazing. Amazing. So yeah, that was my little gift haul that I received, and it was so exciting to like open my mailbox and be like, oh, it's from Amazon. I know what that is, like, because he had told me I had a gift on the way. So I want to say thank you again for the thoughtful gift. More lingerie. A girl always loves lingerie, and I cannot wait to use this Chom Chom. So exciting. Like Chom Chom and clothes right now. But yeah, I am so excited, and I feel it's just so special and giddy to receive a gift. Like, you don't have to send me a gift. There's no reason for it, but the feeling you get when someone thinks of you enough to give you a gift, it's like, you thought of me, thank you so much. So I thought I'd share my giddy joy with you, and this is still my joy after I've already opened this yesterday. You can tell I'm really excited, and I'm really happy, and I feel really blessed to be given gifts and being thought of and stuff. So if you do want to see any of those lingerie pieces on, you can head over to my OnlyFans down below. There might be pictures or stuff like that over there, or you can request stuff, etc, etc. But yeah, if you do want to send me a gift, I always have my Amazon wishlist linked, and if you do purchase from that list, I will send you pictures or videos free as a thank you for sending me a gift, because I love the feeling and I just want to say thank you back. So yeah, I'm super excited for all my new lingerie, and it's like perfect. It's like black, green, and pink. Like, oh, I'm so excited. So thank you again for sending me a gift, and thank you guys for watching my gift unboxing. And if you want to see more, then subscribe, and you know, you can always subscribe to my OnlyFans. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye!